Hi everybody. Today, as promised, I got my Urban Decay mystery box that I spoke about in yesterday's video. This box normally retails for $99, but right now Urban Decay is having a sale and I was able to get it for $74.25. Oh, and I'm wearing the makeup from the Try Beauty box, the eyeshadow and the lipstick. See? It did make a nice look. Let's see. I hope I got some good stuff in here that I'll be happy with. That's the thing with mystery boxes. You really never know what you might get. You might get something you really like, and then you might get something that's just so-so. But anyway, let's see. Also, I used the code that will allow you to get a free deluxe sample. They had 2 lipsticks, or a lip gloss, a single eyeshadow, and an eyeshadow brush. Those are the options for the free gift. So this is the free lipstick that came with it. Vice in the shade Manic. Yeah, there were 2 choices. One was Manic and the other one was, I think, Blood Red. It was a bright red. So I chose Manic. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. Like a chestnut red kind of color. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, and this is everything else that was in there. And this was the, it was called Hot Pop. And I was hoping that hot meant Naked Heat. And it does. Because there's the Naked Heat palette. And also it came with the Ultraviolet palette. I didn't expect this. Maybe that's where the word pop came from. I don't know. But here it is. And one side has the purple and the other side has like more coppery type nude colors. Okay, that's nice. And I also got a third palette. This one is called UD on the Run. And I got the version Bailout. Oh, let's see. It looks like another purple. And it has a little mirror. And okay. This is also mostly neutrals with a purple pop. This is pretty. I might give this one to my daughter. And it's freezing out here. Okay, and then I also got Perversion Mascara. It says bigger, blacker, badder. Okay. That's nice. And then the final thing is this lipstick. Another Vice lipstick. This looks to be the full size. Well, no. Let's see. I think this might be another trial size. Let's see. No, it's the full size. See, this is the trial size. This is the full size. But this shade, I don't know. This shade looks like one that I won't use. It's very pale. So I won't swatch it. It's called Naked Creme. Alright, so I got the lipstick, the mini lipstick in the shade Manic. the Perversion Mascara, the UD on the Run Bailout Palette, the Naked Ultraviolet Palette, and the Naked Heat Palette. Okay, and again, this version was called Hot Pop. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Bye.